The tractor's all taken apart. Let's put it together. First, let's put on the tires. The back tires are big. The front tires are small. One tire. This one's smaller. Two tires. Three tires. And four tires. All the wheels are on and working. Next, let's put on the hood of the engine. This hood protects the engine from the rain. The cab is extra important to keep the driver safe and warm or cool. The John Deere tractor is all ready to go. Goodbye, tractor. Have fun plowing the fields. Let's take it apart, shall we? First, let's take off the hood. You can see the engine. Next, we'll take off the cab. Bye-bye, cab. Let's do the tires next. One tire. Two tires. Three tires. Last, we have the small front tire. And that's it. The tractor's all taken apart. Let's put it back together.